Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Prashant Shatra. Once again I'm coming back to you mainly for the ICSE students. And you already have seen that I have uploaded a lot more classes for the ICSE students, the objectives, the different types of topics, sorting, searching, and even the patterns. Mostly these patterns are given for the on a nested loop, and that is given in class 9. So I want to revise once again before the ICSE examination 2026. So before going to start my class, this is my request. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. If you are liking my class, please give a like. So let us start our class. And in the last class you have seen that I have uploaded 4 patterns. Today once again I want to upload that this classes. So this class means these 4 programs I want to upload. So let's see how you will repeat. These are the problems which one I am showing you right now, that are mostly important for ICSE point of view. Okay, last day you have seen that the patterns are it was very simple, and the mostly in council examination we'll see that the square, rectangle, and this type of pattern shape, this shape, and another triangle type. This triangle type you can see in council examinations. So let us see this one, the question number 1 first. You see that to do this problem we need a nested loop. To do this problem question number 5 and 6, we will apply the nested loop. Okay, so if you solve the question number 7 and 8, so we have to use the different the concept. You see that the question number 1, that the question number 1 means this is question number 5. You see that we need the nested loop, means each and every line we are repeating the characters. So first one, we have to see that whenever you see that the words we are taking as the constant value here, we are taking as the constant value, means you can take this word from the user, you can take that value from the user. So if you take this value from the user, what will happen? We have to use in the argument section. So okay, we are taking this blue jay. So how we will print this character? We have to print in the first line. Second character we have to print in the second line. So one by one we will extract the character. 2 loops. The inner loop will repeat this work. Outer loop will work for how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length is 5. So the outer loop will work for 5 times. But the inner loop, it will reducing one by one. Let's see the first one. That is length equal to, blue jay length equal to what? Okay, first let us calculate this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the length is 5 characters. C is a single character. This is outer loop 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 less than 5. So first character 0, come inside. S dot character at 0 means it is the first character. B, you extract the first character. Now you come inside this inner loop. After extracting the first character, I am giving the instruction to computer. Computer, you see that you have to print that character without ln. I have given this ln, that is a mistake. So I should write here print only, not ln. So you see that this, I think that on the last class I have explained that if you write I here, we will get the shape like this. We will get the shape like this. If you write I here, we will get the shape like this. If you write I here and if you write 1, that means we will get the shape like this. So we are doing now this shape. So you will write it here. You see that what character you have taken? B, and I first value equal to 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 less than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times that character C. C is B. This 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So first line we are printing. After that you are coming out. This is for the ln. You are bringing down the cursor here, going back for the further iteration. Now you check this next. I equal to 1. Come inside once again. Next character 1 means it is L. So what we will get? That is L. And this L we will print once again. You see that when I equal to 1, we are starting this loop from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. So 4 times we will print L. So this L will be printed for 4 times. Again you are coming out, set your cursor in the next line, going back. So this one I equal to 2 position, character is U. So this is U. So this time you see that 2, 3, 4, I equal to 2 means this J will take start from 2. J will be 2, J will be 3, J will be 4. 3 times this will work. What it will be printed here? U. So you can see 3 times. In this way the complete pattern will be printed. The complete pattern will be printed. Now we will go for that alternative method. We can solve this one, this problem in another alternative method that I will show you in computer directly. You can understand. And now we will go for that another option. Okay, I will show you this problem, that question number 7. Okay, now that is another type. Whenever we have to print a character throughout the line, means complete line, same character, you have to use a nested loop. But whenever you will see that the word we are printing completely, okay, so we can use this single loop. We can use the nested loop as well as we can use a single loop. So better to use single loop. So I will show you this program using the single loop. Question number 7 we will follow. So now let us see that the question number 5. Question number 5, you see that how to solve this problem. I have written everything, whatever I have written on the board, everything I have written it here. Now check it, that the answer, compile it, close. This is right click, void main, you check, this is the answer. So this was my question, means a problem solution, and this is my answer. You can check it. These things I have done it on the board, and the same thing I am writing it here. Please check this part mainly. This where I am writing I. Okay, character, which character you are taking, extracting. That character exactly, 1 minute. Check it once. Check this character. Check this character. We are extracting outside the inner loop. If you extract that character outside the inner loop, what will happen? After extracting the character I, means I, if it is 0, that B, you are keeping that B and you are giving the instruction to this loop. Computer, you perform this loop. So this loop, how many times it will perform depends on condition and depend where we are starting and where we are starting. If a value of I equal to 0, J is starting from 0, and how long it is going? J less than length. So this is how many times? 5 times this. And you be careful, don't write ln here, print. So this one we are getting this one. Okay, so the first program we are printing like this. So I think it is clear. So this way we have solved this problem. Alternatively, we can solve another way. You check, I have written this line inside. So this method I think you should not follow, because this each and every time you are extracting the character I. So I is 0. So this loop, how many times it is working, that many times this function will work. Okay, so better this code, if you write it here, after this between these two loop, here if you write this line here, that will be better. So this method we will not follow. Okay, this program will give you the same output. You see that compilation done. This is the question number 6. Close it and right click, void main, check, the same output we are getting. Okay, this is the same output we are getting. So now we will go for that the next problem. Okay, so let us see the next problem. Now please check the question number 7. So question number 7, you see that the value we are printing that pattern. This pattern we are printing using a single loop. This pattern we are printing using a single loop. That means we will apply the substring here. So you see that how we are doing this problem. You see that this is the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now check S equal to blue J. So the length of the string equal to 5 characters. Now check this one. The loop will work 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 less than 5. So I first counter value equal to 0. So come inside S dot substring 0. This function 0 starting from 0 from this position. All the time it will start from 0. You see that this is the question number 7. All the time it is taking start from B. So len equal to 5 minus I first counter equal to 0. So it's coming 0, 5. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 less than 5. So this is what first line. For the first line, you see that the first line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that, after getting it, you print with the ln function. You print with the ln function. Again you are going back. So you see that using a single loop, not the nested loop, this type of pattern, whenever the alphabets are not in a rhythm, like if the alphabets in a rhythm, that time if you can apply, but the better to use nested loop. But you see that this is the alphabets are not in a rhythm. It's a single word. It's a word, how it will come you don't know, that what the latest combination will be there, that you don't know. So let us see the next one. You see that again it will work. This is I, when I will be 1, that time it will be 1. So it will be 0, 4. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. So the 4 letters. In this way 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1. So that means it is 0, 1, 2, 3 characters, 0, 1, 2. This is 0, 1. This is 0. So in this way you can understand the number of characters are printed over here. You see it is the way. Okay, so this is the 7th pattern, and the number last one we will do it in different way. Different way means this one only we have to change this place. So let me show you that the 7th pattern, this pattern, check, this is the 7th pattern. So this 7th pattern, you see that I have taken this using a single loop, whatever I have written on the board. So everything I have written over here. Compilation done, no syntax error. Close this. Question number 7, right click, void main, check, this is coming exactly this pattern I have explained, that the same thing it is coming in the terminal. Okay, so I think you can understand how we are printing this pattern using a single loop. Now I'll show you the next one, the 8th pattern, the last one, today's last pattern I will show you. Let us see. Hello, so now we can check the last one. Last one is very simple. Just write here I only. Do not have to write anything else. So what is actually happening? You see that the patterns are reducing. I is increasing means the pattern shape is coming like this. This is the shape is coming like this. Let's see what is happening actually. Using substring s dot substring I equal to 0. That means it's taking start from this whole, the word is coming BL UEJ, blue J, because it's taking start from 0. Whenever it is taking start from 1, that means this is the position number 1, position number 1 to remaining part. Whenever substring will take a single argument, that means it will take start from there and it will extract the whole remaining portion. So you take start from 1, that means from L to remaining part. L to remaining part, L, U, E, J, then it will be 2. 2 to remaining part, U, E, J, then 3. Then 3 means E, J, and then 4 means only J. So you see that this pattern is same as the question number 8. So this one I will show you, you will understand it clearly. Okay. Now check. This is the 7th pattern, and now the last pattern. This was my question, means solution. This is the pattern. You see that I have written only I. It is already written the program, the same thing like the previous program. Only what we are changing, this place we are changing. Compilation done. Close right click, void main, check my pattern is coming like this. Okay, so whatever I have explained, exactly the same thing is coming over here. Okay, the same thing we can see. So I is 0 means starting from I is 1 starting from L, I is 2 starting from U. So this is the pattern, means whenever you will get the word like this, any other word, suppose computer, you can use this one whenever the pattern is exactly. If your character is constant, constant means a single character you are printing for the whole line. This complete line you are printing this BB, a complete line you are printing this LLL, something like this, then you just apply the nested loop. But this situation we don't have to apply the nested loop. So up to this much is today. Again, if I get time, I will upload another topic. So if you are liking my channel, if you are liking my class, please subscribe this. Thank you very much.